Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. The title of this video is how you can use Telegram without installing Telegram application and how you can chat with your friends over the Telegram. So in order to use the Telegram without installing application, you must have to access your Telegram account on the browser. Okay, you can do this on your mobile browser as well as on your Windows browser. So in Google you have to type for Telegram web. Okay, so this is the website web.telegram.org. Through this website you can access your Telegram account without installing application. So I will open this website. I have already opened this my account on the web browser. If you want to log into your Telegram account, you have to open your account through the QR code. Okay, so then you will be open your account will be open on your web browser. Okay, so that's my account, and here you can see this is the on the left side you can see the chats of my different friends or the different platforms. Okay, here you can do the settings as well, and if you want to chat with your friend, you just simply need to open their chat and you can simply talk to them like I say hello to my friend. Okay, so that's how you can send text to your friend, and if you want to attach or you want to send any kind of documents or the file photos, you just need to click on this pin icon, and here you will get three options. The first one is a photo or video. If you want to send photo or video, through this feature you can send photo or video. If you want to send in document, you can use this feature just for sending documents to your friend. So that's all about how you can use Telegram without installing Telegram application, and you can chat with your friends. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.